Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, I received a comment from one of my viewers. He want to bypass electric kettle jug and he want to continue boiling for 10 to 15 minutes. What we will do? This connector here, it is in the base of the electric kettle, and here we have the base, connector base, this point, and here is electric cord, electric cable. So these 3 points connect to here: line, neutral and earth. Line is connected to thermostat switch, which is connected in the handle. The line will pass through the thermostat switch and it will reach to heating element. The second side, second ring, is connected to neutral. Neutral is connected to the heating element. It is normally closed. It is normally open. It is normally closed. When there is a water in the jug, this heating element will keep heating. It will boil. When the temperature of water will reach at about 100 or above, and there will a steam, so this will sense the temperature and it will cut this line and it will disconnect this heating element. If the water is finished in the jug, so it cannot sense the temperature because there will no steam. In that case, the base of heating element or heating element will continue to heating up. In that case, it might be damaged. So this thermal protection will protect this heating element from melting it, from over temperature, because it is connected very close to the heating element. So if we want to bypass the safety from automatic cutoff at reaching at specific temperature, we have to make a jumper between these two lines, so that if there is a water, it will keep boiling. And if the water is finished from the jug, in that case, if the heating element is continue to heat up, this thermal protection will protect this heating element. So we have to make a jumper for this thermostat switch, which is connected in the handle. So in this way we can bypass this automatic cutoff thermal switch. So I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, give a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.